everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove TikTok account from your TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open your TikTok app. Now in this For You page, you can see many options, many icons like home, friends, plus, inbox and profile. Now let's go to your profile icon. Now it will open your profile interface. Here tap on three bar. Now click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down until you see switch account. You can either switch your account to another account that you want to log in or just log out. It will remove your account from TikTok. In this way, you can remove your account from TikTok. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.